Good morning, class 8. I welcome you all to your yet another class of subject history. In this, we will going to continue with our chapter number 2, that is establishment of company power. In our last few lectures, we have already learned that British East India Company along with Dutch, the Portuguese and the French, they established their colonies in India, and the most powerful one were the Britishers and the French. And what happened was that the Britishers, they kicked out the Dutch and the Portuguese out of India, and only the French and the Britishers were left in India to and these two countries, these two colonies, again they started off fighting with each other, so that if the country which will going to win will going to have the colony in India. So in lieu of that, the British and the French, they had a fight, okay, and the war which took place between the French and the Britishers is named as the Carnatic War. And it was not only a single war which was being fought, there were 3 Carnatic wars which were being fought between the Britishers and the French. So to note down here is that this Carnatic, it is not just the name, but it is the name of the area in which it was being fought. As I've already taught you that in first Carnatic War, the Britishers were the winners, and the French, they gave up their colonies in Madras and Pondicherry, and they were being their colonies were being kicked out by Britishers in those areas. Now let's come to second Carnatic War. Very important to note down that when it was being fought, and it was being fought in 1748, and it ended up till 1754. Next thing, that what was the main issue which arose this situation of war between the French and the Britishers. So the issue was that both French and the Britishers, they wanted their favoring Nawab to rule the Carnatic and the Hyderabad. Okay, यहाँ पर ब्रिटिश और फ्रेंच दोनों ही ये चाहते हैं कि उनके अपने अपने फेवरिंग नवाब्स जो हैं वो एरिया ऑफ कार्नेटिक और एरिया ऑफ हैदराबाद को रूल करें. So let's see who were their favoring Nawabs. For the French, in the Carnatic area, it was Chand Sahib. Okay, in Hyderabad, it was Muzaffar Jung Nizam. For Britishers, in Carnatic area, their favoring Nawab was Muhammad Ali, and in Hyderabad, it was Nasir Jung. One thing to note down over here is that Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung Nizam, they were the arch rival in Hyderabad, and they were already fighting for the throne in Hyderabad. So French supported Muzaffar Jung Nizam and Britishers supported Nasir Jung Nizam. So this support was not for the benefit of these people, the Muzaffar Jung Nizam and the Nasir Jung Nizam, but it was for the benefit of the Britishers and the French. That's why they were supporting them. So what happened? The result of this war was that British won the war, and they are favoring Nizam, that is Muhammad Ali of in the area of Carnatic. He became the Nizam of that area. After that, between the French and the British, they signed a peace treaty. Okay, and they were quite they had an agreement that they will not going to have any further wars regarding any of the areas in India. Okay, and in lieu of this second Carnatic War, since the French, they have lost it, फ्रेंच ने ये वाली लड़ाई हार गए थे ना, तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ कि जो फ्रेंच का ड्यूप्लेक्स था उसको वहाँ पर जो फ्रेंच के ड्यूप्लेक्स थे उनको वहाँ पर फ्रांस में वापस बुला लिया गया. राइट, सो हियर we come to an end of second Carnatic War. Few things you have to note down over here, the important points, that the time period from when up till when the war lasted. Then what was the issue, why this war was fought, then between whom it was fought, and who won and who became the Nizam of the Carnatic. Okay, so now let's come to Third Carnatic War. Again, the time period